Think 248 square feet isn't enough to live comfortably? Think again. This is the Urban Park Studio by Tru Form Tiny, a luxury tiny home packed with smart design, high-end finishes, and everything you need to live, work, or relax in style. From the L-shaped sofa to the hidden dining table and lofted queen bed, this space does more with less. Let's take a tour of one of the most efficient and beautiful tiny homes we've ever seen.